whatever. That's what a wild place. Let's go see some zombies.
Let's go find zombies.
Ooh. Let's see if we can see them over here. It's a little hard to see the monsters because there are quite a lot of people here. But they are out and about. Hi, darling. Nice to meet you all. Oh, sorry. Thank you. How's it going, man? Oh my goodness! One thing I'm noticing here is that not many people are actually nervous or scared of the monsters, which is the opposite of what I've seen in the last time I've been here. We got another cat person. Meow. Hello. Oh, we got the cuties. Got the kitties. Other than the dancing and singing, this actually feels like Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, kakiburi, oishii. Oh, thank you. Oh, Jesus. Ostensibly, there are zombies in this area, but I'll be darn pressed if you can actually find it. Oh, there's one. Oh. Got something wrong with his face. Okay, everybody, we've transcended zombies and we're in the medical. Oh, I am so sorry, sir. There is nothing funny about people with medical problems. Please. Oh, she's got a sucker face, huh? Oh, okay.
I gotta turn the flash off.
Hello. Oh, she's a snake. Oh, the show's on! Oh my goodness! I like their scare zones this year because a lot of them you have to actually venture into just a crowd of people to see these creatures. And these are the clowns. They've had them for at least 4 or 5 years. Konnichiwa. Hello. Yeah? What do you got there? Oh, spider! Hey, buddy. Bye-bye. Hey. the heck out of the way. He's got to use the toilet. Hey.
立ち止まらずにお進みください。
Chill, Will. Hey, these guys were in the Garden of Petrified Rose or whatever. You can't fool me. You can't fool me. That girl just took out her heart or something. Just pushed it down the ground. Oh, is this Tetsujin? Like Iron Man? They're pretty scary, but have you guys seen Sing 2? That's a scary movie too. Oh, she got her guts in it. Oh. Oh my goodness. I hope you get the medical treatment you need. How you doing? Hi. Yeah, I know. I understood. You're behind me? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh! Oh! Hey again. Oh, darling. Oh no! Not my cookie! Oh, Legends of Fear over here has got a longer line, but it's still like 30 minutes long. It's pretty short for a haunted house. But that's about as much as you want to wait for that haunted house. But Horror Nights is more or less over for me. I got an experience with the good old Trevor here. It was a blast. I think the haunted houses were okay. Most of it were repeats. We got to see one new haunted house, which is right over here. The monsters are okay, but obviously the main selling point today was
Nintendo Land.
that was awesome. It was really, really cool. I would describe that as hyperactive. Like, it's hard to focus on anything there. It's just so much things happening all at once. However, as you see Frankenstein walking off into the distance there, getting ready to dance, I think this is good enough time to say you can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for joining me on the trip to Universal Studios, see Halloween Horror Nights, and the Super Nintendo World. Until later, peace.